Hi guys, welcome to Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss chapter circles of CBSE curriculum, exercise 10.2. What is given here? From a point Q, the length of the tangent to the circle is 24 centimeters and the distance of Q to the center is 25 centimeters. The radius of the circle. They give options here: A 7 centimeters, B 12 centimeters, C 15 centimeters, D 24.5 centimeters. Okay, first see the diagram. We need to draw the diagram according to the given question. Draw a circle and is length is 4 centimeters and the distance between Q and O is 2 centimeters. Okay, this forms right angle triangle. Okay, and also write down what is given in the question. QP is the tangent and OP is perpendicular to Q. OP is perpendicular to Q. That is, radius OP is perpendicular to tangent at a point of contact. Therefore, angle OQ, that is angle P, is equal to 90 degrees. Guys. See, radius, the tangent perpendicular to the radius is the 90 degrees. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, from the triangle OQP, we have we know QO length, we need to find OP length. Okay, now based on the Pythagoras theorem, I is equal to y square plus n square. So when you see but OQ square, opposite is nothing but QP square, adjacent is nothing but OP square. Substitute values. OQ square is 25 centimeter is 25 square, QP square is 24 square. We need to find that is a radius, nothing but square. Simply get 25 minus 5 because 24 square is 6. Therefore, x square is equal to 49, x equal to under root of 49, for x equals 7 centimeters. Therefore, the length of P, the length of OP, the radius of P is equal to 7 centimeters. That is equal to option A, guys. So, option A. I hope you understand this sum. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys.